Hi, it's Melanie, and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less. I guess you're wondering, what in the world is she doing on this box? But I promise you guys, there's something super glam, super luxurious, super sexy, super amazing on the inside of this box. So today we're going to be doing a quick tutorial on how to put it together for an upcoming wedding. And once you see these, I promise you are going to start salivating. You are going to want what's on the inside of this box. So stay tuned. These are probably the sexiest handles I have ever seen. Well, I guess these aren't handles, they're arms. But they are the sexiest ones I've ever seen in my life. Now there is a lot of the, whatever this white stuff is called, I can't even think of the name of it now. But it's a lot of that on it. We'll clean it all up prior to the event, but we're just gonna kind of put it together today. So. It is so heavy. These pieces are super, super heavy. So here are the instructions on how to put this together. Very, very, very simple to put together. I will say it's very heavyweight. The only thing I don't like is all the styrofoam that's like everywhere. So I'm going to have to go clean all of that out. Or find a simple, maybe a blow dryer. You have a blow dryer? Mm-hmm. We're going to try a blow dryer, see if this will clean it quickly. Okay. This blow dryer is not a good idea. The blow dryer didn't work at all, okay? So we're gonna have to figure out something else. Alright. So y'all just, but blowing it, now that works. Got it all in my hair. The blowing works better than the blow dryer.
I told you we can get the
leaf blower.
The leaf blower.
Okay, so we're gonna put this in first. It's very simple. You just twist it. Let's clean this table off. Jesus. My OCD. ADHD, all of it is working at the same time today. Alright, and then we're going to put the next piece in. Okay, y'all. So this thing got all in my hair. The one thing I would probably recommend is that they wrap these pieces in plastic before putting them in the little compartments. Blowing does work. So we're going to probably get a leaf blower and blow the pieces and clean them up, wrap them in plastic before putting them back in. But they just simply go into the side. Like this is so well made, so sturdy, so super heavy. You can also, I'm going to go ahead and put the top of the candle in here too. Oops.
That's what the oil's for.
That's probably what this oil is for. So you won't hear all that. So it comes with some oil so you can kind of oil the screws and everything. But this is just a quick tutorial for you guys. May not need to do that first. Now you're going to get to hear that again. So I'm just going to hook all those pieces in really quickly. Alright, now alright, so the next thing, of course, we gotta have some bling, 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 bling. these is that you can choose to use the bling or you can choose to not use the bling. But it's just kind of like a key hook, a keychain ring. You just stick it in, and you can, like I said, you can use these with or without the bling. Since I'm setting these up for the wedding, I'm going to go ahead and bling-matize them. Y'all like that word, bling-matize? Alright, so we're going to get all the bling in. So we almost have all the bling in place. Just this last little one. Super easy to go on. And again, some of the styrofoam. This will still need to be cleaned up. But after you place the bling, you got these gorgeous candle pieces that just kind of sit neatly on here, and it goes up really high. I just think it's the bomb. These are so beautiful. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I'm in love already. So now we are all done with this super amazing centerpiece that will definitely be the center of attention on the wedding party table. Again, I love the fact that you can have these on or off, and you can also double duty these, and I will share that with you in another video. It's going to be so dramatic. I love the fact that you can do it with or without the bling. For this occasion, I am going to leave just a hint of bling, but it looks just as great without the bling. And get this all cleaned up, and be sure to tune back in for the final reveal on how I use this to design an upcoming wedding. Thank you guys so much again for watching. I absolutely love all of your unwavering support. If you're interested in joining me for Luxe Academy, feel free to visit my website at melanieturner.design/events. Until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers! Ding ding! Okay, you guys, so we just used plastic bags, Walmart bags. You can use the bags from like your linen that came in or whatever to wrap the pieces once you get them cleaned up and ready to go. I did leave the bling on, but I made sure it didn't get tangled, so I was very careful in how I placed that. And then you can just put it back, because I'm not going to transport this, I'm not going to transport this like I'm going to transport it in this box, because I don't want it to break. So I can just put this back in and transport it likewise. See? There you have it. Oh, jeez. I'm struggling. Struggle button. There we go. There. Now I've got a big old mess to clean up.